Welcome everyone to this much awaited inauguration of IETE Pune's chapter certified online workshop. Now I would like to ask and grant request our chief guest for today, Dr. V.G. Reddy sir, to please grant us permission for the inauguration of today's session.
Take the privilege to start the
First of all, I appreciate efforts taken by Kranti sir, who is a data engineer from Amazon, and best information you brought for us. I am much thankful from behalf of IETE, Birds Engineering Academy, and Civic. So we associated to bring this information in front of you.
It's my pleasure to introduce our first speaker for today, Dr. Shruti S.K.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Good evening, all. Today we discussing what kind of the applications are play a major role of the emerging technology, especially AI, ML, and IOT.
It gives me immense pleasure to introduce the first speaker of today's session, Dr. G. Sri Lakshmi. So we have with us Mr. Rahim M.A. sir. It gives me immense pleasure to introduce the first speaker for today, Mr. Himanshu Paliwal. So, next on the virtual session, we have Mr. Harish Partpani sir, who is joining us from USA.
Today, we have the privilege of hearing from an estimated speaker with a remarkable academic background. Please welcome Dr. Pratima Kalyankar ma'am. This speaker needs no introduction in the tech industry. Please give a warm welcome to Shyam Sundar sir.
Dr. Sanskriti Shirale ma'am, and a virtual welcome to Dr. G. Prasad Acharya sir. Dr. J. Ramesh Babu. Our next speaker for the session is Mr. Pratik Tavde sir. Very first, it gives me pleasure to introduce our first speaker, Ms. Sujata Gaikwad ma'am. It gives me pleasure to introduce the second speaker for today, Dr. Pallavi Adke. It was definitely one of the interesting sessions till now because of the hands-on and the practical applications that you've shown us. So once again, a very formal thank you. So today we have with us Rishabh Bharadwaj, who is an intern at RPG's Birds Engineering Academy. Dr. Praveen Latne sir. It's an honor to introduce me today's speaker. It is Mrs. Archana Gule ma'am. We have Dr. Pratima Kalyankar ma'am. Once again, I would like to extend heartfelt gratitude on behalf of IETE Pune chapter, Birds Engineering Academy and Civic Incubation Center to Mr. Rajesh sir. Today, Mr. Pratik Kamble sir.
Yes, thank you so much.
Speaker for today in the first half is Mr. Harun Babu sir. Our today's speaker is Shiv Prakash sir. So our speaker for today is Mr. K. Arun Kumar sir. Minute speaker today with us, Dr. K. Padmavati ma'am. Our speaker for today is Mr. Vishnu Kumar sir. So our speaker for today, Mr. Mushtaba sir. Thank you so much ma'am for giving your time and sharing your insights. They were really grateful and they would really help all our students. Currently working as CTO at Pragya Mitra. Speaker for today is Mr. Sandeep Ravikanti sir.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Ghule sir, Birds Academy.
Thank you, Birds Academy,
for giving me this opportunity.
Sir, thanks to the Birds Academy and IET for giving me this opportunity.
It was actually a knowledgeable session and it was a great experience, sir.
Supervision of Arjun Gule and Birds Academy. It is very good.
And I got to know very important information about AI, ML and IOT.
Processor, ARM posed, digital electronics.
So after attending this workshop, now I am totally willing to do my doctorate in AI only.
I wanted to thank you and your team for providing this opportunity. It's very good, sir.
The sessions arranged by the Birds Engineering Academy and IET was very informative. So it was very helpful for me, informative.
Sir, thank you for providing us for the wonderful sessions of
AI and ML for Internet of Things. These few weeks were amazing, and I would love to join such more sessions in the future. Thank you so much.
And I got lot of information from the sessions conducted by all the experts.